Pag sinabing firing, sige daw. Kamay sa tayo. Safety. Okay, position.
Reload na.
Ready to fire ha, firing!
Okay.
Safe. Standby.
Position.
Aray, may nagawa, di ba?
Ba't kayo meron pa ako? Pera mo ako, magre-record eh. Pera mo ako, magre-record. Sige na pa ako.
Kubo ka sa labas.
Sige na, 7 lang yan eh. Sige na.
So, ayun, huminga ang bala.
Oo, ikaw lang mag-record oh.
Pera.
Level. Kaya mo lang na. Huwag yung.
Right.
Kaya mo lang na.
Release safe.
Okay? Level. Squeeze lang, squeeze. Huwag yung aarte ang level. Squeeze.
Tight alignment.
Okay, squeeze the trigger. Ha?
Ready.
Ipatong,
Okay.
Okay?
Side.
Off. Okay, safety muna, safety. Pata, sige. Yan. Okay, position. Position. Patong ha. Patong. Firing. Ready. Safety off. Yan. Tulong na sire. Fire.
Magazine.
Alisin mo to. Sumasabi ito eh. Patong lang yan.
Check.
Ready.
Hammer down.
Fire.
Down.